Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones, and today I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix that earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch control. So we have 3 tips for it. The first one is that take off the earbuds and place them in the charging case. Take out the earbuds and put them back on and check whether the prompt tone is played. The second one is that if this happens when the gesture feature is set to none, you can set different gestures for the left and right earbuds. Check whether gesture control is enabled and make sure that you are tapping the earbud for which the gesture is set. The third one is that ensure that you tap on the touch control area of the earbuds with your fingertip. The touch control areas are different than other earbuds, and they are marked here. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.